Today we're stepping into a new kind of energy. It's a cloudy, rainy day, the air is fresh, and the city around us feels alive, but calm. This stretch session is all about grounding ourselves, finding strength and flexibility in our lower body while we let the rain wash away any tension. Think of this as a moment to reset, to connect with the earth beneath you. Ready to move with the rhythm of the rain? Let's hit the mat, fam. Start with your feet wide, sinking down into a deep frog squat. Imagine your hips dropping low, knees pressing outward, and your elbows gently nudging them further apart. The cool ground beneath you gives you stability, while the rain taps against your skin, reminding you to breathe deeply. Inhale, feel the stretch across your hips, your groin, your lower back. Exhale and allow yourself to sink a little deeper into the squat, letting gravity and the earth do their work. Hold this position for 1 minute, but don't be static. Shift slightly from side to side, letting your hips explore more space. With each movement, you're opening up more, releasing any tightness from sitting, from stress, from the day. Let the rain bring freshness to your body. Cool, cleansing. Stay in your deep squat, and from here, we're going to move into a T rotation. Plant your right hand on the ground. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, twist your torso, lifting your left arm up toward the sky. Feel the twist in your spine, the stretch across your chest and shoulders, and the opening in your back. The rain might feel cool on your extended arm, but your body is warming from the inside, strong and ready for movement. Hold the rotation for a moment, then gently come back to the center and switch sides. Your left hand is now planted, your right arm reaching up. Imagine the rain sliding down your overstretched fingers, washing away stiffness. Each twist is an opportunity to create space in your body. Space to move, space to breathe. Step your right foot forward into a low lunge. Your back knee resting on the patio, grounding you. Place your left hand on the ground, and as you inhale, begin to twist your torso, lifting your right arm toward the sky. Feel the rain cool on your fingertips, but focus on the heat building inside. Your hips releasing, your chest opening. Hold this for 1 minute, sinking deeper into your lunge with every exhale. Let the rain remind you to breathe, to slow down. Each breath helps you twist a little more, creating space in your hips, your lower back, and your shoulders. Feel the rotation, loosening all the tightness, as if the rain is helping you wash it all away. Now switch sides. Step your left foot forward into a low lunge. Drop your right knee to the ground and place your right hand on the mat. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, twist to the left, lifting your arm toward the cloudy sky. Hold for 1 minute. Breathe into the twist, letting the rain be your constant companion. Refreshing, reminding you to release any tension. Feel your hips open wider, your spine twist further. This is a full body release, especially through your legs, hips, and lower back. The rain is part of the flow, washing away all the stiffness, leaving you more flexible with every breath. Come down onto all fours, feeling the coolness of the rain-soaked patio beneath your hands and knees. We're moving into fire hydrants to activate your glutes and hips. Lift your right knee out to the side, like you're pushing through resistance. Inhale as you lift, exhale as you lower, keeping the movement strong and controlled. Continue for 1 minute, Imagine the raindrops falling on your back, keeping you cool while your body heats up. You're working the deep muscles of your hips, strengthening from within. The rain is a gentle reminder to keep your movement steady, to stay present in the flow. Now switch to the left side. Lift your left knee out to the side, engaging your glutes and hips, pushing through that invisible resistance. Inhale as you lift, exhale as you lower. Keep moving for 1 minute. The rain taps lightly on your skin, reminding you that even though the world around you feels cool and calm, your body is warming, strengthening with each lift. Let this movement be your anchor, keeping you grounded and connected to the earth beneath you. Lie on your back, your feet planted on the ground, the cool air from the rain brushing your skin. Press through your heels and lift your hips up toward the sky for hip thrusts. Inhale as you lift, feeling your glutes engage, and exhale as you lower, but don't let your hips touch the ground. Keep them hovering, ready to rise again. Move for 1 minute. Each thrust lifts your body, but also opens your hips and strengthens your core. The rain may be falling, but your body is alive with warmth and power. Every movement building strength from the inside out. Now lay prone, facing down. Put your arms to your sides, touching the ground. Cross over your right leg, over your left knee, and feel the twist in your spine, and feel the hips pry open. Hold for 1 minute. Let the rain ground you here, bringing you a sense of calm as your body opens up. Each breath takes you deeper into the stretch. Your hips prying open, making more room for flexibility. Switch to the left side. Cross over your right leg with your left leg, still laying proud. The rain feels cool on your skin, but your body is warm. Your muscles lengthening with every breath. Hold for 1 minute. Breathe deeply. Let your hips relax further with each exhale. You're opening up space in your body, releasing any tightness. The rain keeps you present, cooling your skin while your body becomes more flexible, more mobile. Return to a standing position and finish strong with the standing forward fold. Let your body hang, the rain running down your back as you reach for your toes. Then flow to one side, lunging to the right, stretching your inner thighs, hips, and legs. Inhale as you come back to center. Exhale as you flow to the left. Move from side to side for 1 minute, allowing the rain to be part of your flow. Each side lunge brings more flexibility to your hips and legs, releasing any remaining tension. The rain and your breath are in sync, creating a rhythm that leaves you feeling refreshed, open, and strong. Beautiful work, fam. In just 10 minutes, you've connected with the rain, grounded yourself, and opened up strength and flexibility in your legs and hips. If you're feeling energized, keep the momentum going, check out another stretching video, dive into a home workout, or finish with a calming meditation. Stay strong, stay grounded, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's go!